Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Trying to keep my voice down because obviously we're hunting in this video. We're all split up today. Braden and Mike, they're actually hunting for deer today, and I decided this morning to pursue some hogs, and I saw pretty good looking deer. We saw some does, but no pigs wound up coming out. And now I'm actually going to another spot for the evening hunt, and the pigs are in here pretty thick. I mean, it's an infestation down here. I'm hunting with the old 6.5, son. That's a good looking pume right there. Like I said, these pigs, they're kind of cool to have on the property, but if you don't manage them properly, they root up everything. They will push out deer. I mean, this hole down here even smells like hog when you go down there just because there's so many. So we're gonna sneak in there. I'm pretty sure there's an old burlap spot down here with 2 chairs, so we're gonna sneak down there. I'm gonna kind of get set up and pretty much just scope it out, and hopefully we're gonna get a pretty good sized hog. So we just made it down here. I'm trying to be quiet. I got everything set up the way I want to. From the feeder, I'm looking at about 30 yards behind the feeder, 35, 40. I don't know what direction they're going to be coming from, but obviously it's going to be something this way. We're going to get the 6.5 set up right here, resting against a tree. We do have a scope cam on here too, which is nice. Tactic cams are freaking sick, so y'all be able to see what I'm seeing when I'm looking down the scope, and hopefully placing a really good shot on a hog. So let's be quiet. Let's wait patiently. Let's hope we see some. Such an awkward shot, dude. It freaking flung my hat off. My hat was scrunched up to the damn scope, trying to stay level. I never had my hat fly off shooting a before. Tough shot, but I think I got him. Let's go check it out. But I walked through where he ran, found no trail, and then I actually went to where I know I hit him, and also no trail. You just gotta think these 6.5s, man, they're traveling so fast. Sometimes you won't get that much blood on the ground, and also too, these pigs, they don't really bleed that much. But what's nice is that Mike's here from Drone Deer Recovery, so he's gonna fly his thermal drone when the boys get done hunting, and if that hog is down, we should find him. So let's go ahead and sit back down, dude. I'm so stoked. Let's sit back down and let's see another group comes in. All right, guys, the rest of the evening it was a good sit. I had a lot of pigs scattered out, just all around me. I mean, just running, taking different trails. There's like a bottom down here, and there you can hear all the acorns falling, so you can just tell these pigs they're wanting to come here, but there's tons of food out here for them too, and they're out here rooting around. So it was cool to see some stuff. I saw a buck in front of me. I tried to get him on film, but I didn't want to spook him. It was kind of just like a stare moment, and you know, any movement would have probably pushed them out of here. Like I said, Mike is here, so we're gonna go meet up with the boys, go get his drone, fly it out here, and hopefully try to track down this pig. It should be pretty quick work for Mike. So let's go meet up with the boys and let's go find this pig.
How many times you hit the damn record button?
Oh, a lot. Dude, I told you I was in action.
I was in the action.
I was in action. What else are you gonna do? Not record? Should be the longest one, because I shot it and I forgot that I was recording, and then I came back and I shut it off. Yeah.
No way.
I shot between the leg, 2 pine trees, and it walked out right in front. As soon as I got the shot, I took it right in the shoulder.
There we go, right here.
That's a big one.
That's a big pig.
Oh,
he's hit.
Did you hear that?
Listen to the thud.
Oh, you wanna know what's funny too? That angle on my camera, when I shot, my hat did 3 backflips and landed behind me, dude. That scope about knocked me the fuck out. Nope. We got heat. I was also holding. That's it.
That's it. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. Guarantee it.
I'll be damned, dude.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. What is with this? Come on. Get in there.
That's got to be him sprawled out.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Wow. Big down. You can see it on the thermal. You don't even need the actual camera.
Oh yeah.
It is dead. What's your flight time?
Good job, man.
Dude,
you freaking nailed it, son.
Let's go.
Coming up to it to fall down there. Oh no. Oh, he's down there. He fell freaking down, dude. That's great. Dude, what a freaking tank, son. Good Lord. That is a freaking stud. Good Lord. That's a freaking big one, dude. That is a freaking big one. All right, y'all, so we just came down here to the pig. He fell all the way down in this freaking valley, man. It's, dude, just by me trying to pick him up, this pig's got dude, he might even be more than 160. Like, I truly mean that. This is a freaking stud. It takes everything I got to try to lift him up to show his actual size, dude. His tusks are beautiful. It was amazing hunt. I didn't think that it was this big when I shot him, and that was only 40, 50 yards away. Dude brought us through a loop trying to find him, and we dropped the pin on him and we might have been a little bit off, and it's because he was all the way down here. So we're gonna try to figure out a way how we can hoist this guy up and get him on out of here, because this is one trophy of a pig, man. This is crazy. All right, y'all, so after the hog hunt, I wanted to make sure that I got something mounted from this pig, because I mean, it was by far one of the biggest pigs I ever shot. And in the video I'm going 80 pounds at first, looking through the scope cam, and then once we get up there, we're like, dude, this thing is 160. And then once we actually get down there to the pig and we start trying to move this thing around and picking them up and just getting pictures and stuff, we average this pig anywhere between at the low end at 220, higher end 250. So I mean, all day that's what that pig was. I mean, it took the dear life for me to pick that joker up. I had to use my whole body, and I still struggled to get that pig on its side so we can get a stand-up picture with him. And it was, I'll never forget that moment like that. So like I said, I wanted to get something mounted from this pig, and we had legit a day-and-a-half turnaround rate for this skull mount. I mean, as soon as we dropped it off at the processor, I guess they subbed someone out who someone else does it. We got the call the next day to come pick this joker up, and I had to put on a pretty cool plaque, and I want to show you guys what she looks like. Oh, be damn, look at that, dude. What a freaking, my camera's all blown out. I'm trying to keep it in front of me so you guys can see it, but this piece of wood right here only costs 50 bucks. I mean, I couldn't believe that. And then for the head too, it was 250, so 300 bucks was this mount. And y'all, it's absolutely beautiful. It's crazy. Look at the tusks, man. I mean, it is absolutely wild. Yeah, that's what a 200+ pound pig looks like skull mounted. I think B was saying that they pursued one like a day before, they wound up doing like 6 miles of walking or something. I mean, they're hard to find. They're tough animals, and just by looking at them, I mean, it just, you can obviously see when we were looking at that pig when it was down there, if you knocked on that pig's shoulder, it's not like you were knocking on a freaking 2x4. I mean, they're ready to fight, they're mean, and they're pretty daggone hard to take down. But not one a lively one in front of me, I can tell you that. Like I said, huge thanks for everyone who was helping out in the video. It's definitely one for the books. If you guys enjoy the hog hunting stuff, you guys know what to do. Leave in the comments down below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Bass TV.